Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Maske Sir. So friends, in this today's video, we are going to see some of the warming up activities, English workshop and activities from language study section of the lesson The Boy Who Broke the Bank by one of the renowned writer Ruskin Bond. So before I start the video, as usual I request you to subscribe my channel if you are still new to my channel. So let's get started. Let's begin with some of the warming up activities which include chit chat. Question 1. A lie can run around the world before truth has got its boots on. The above quotation expresses how fast a rumor spread. ही वरचं जे quotation आहे की ज्या अफवा कशा प्रकारे जलद गतीने पसरतात ते आपल्याला दाखवते. Number 2. Discuss how one can decide whether some news is a fact or a fake. Answer. The first thing that people should do when they hear the news is to verify the source of that news. They should ensure that the news is from trusted sources. They should decide whether it is reliable or believable. People often make mistakes of trusting what they hear. We must decide if it has any rational explanation. If the news stands to your reason, then it is fact, or if does not stand to your reasons, consider it fake and untrue. Our common sense can lead us to decide whether the news is a fact or a fake. Who do you think are responsible for spreading false news? There are many people around us who are responsible for spreading fake news. People who never think before they think or decide something spread false news. False news is also spread by ideal people or some mischief makers, while some spread false news to pass their time. Some just want to create some enjoyment, and some people deliberately spread false news to take revenge of some targeted persons. Do you believe in all the news that you come across? No, I never believe in all the news that come across to me. I always use my common sense to decide whether it is fake or real. Give one example of a rumor which seemed to be fact in the beginning, later it was proved false. So students can write their own response. Read the following statement. Describe whether it is fact or a rumor. Justify your decision. Here the table is given to us. Cow gives birth to a calf. It is a fact. Natural phenomenon. ही गायीने वासराला जन्म देणे ही एक नैसर्गिक घटना आहे. In 2025, the sun will swallow the earth. It's a rumor. No scientific evidence yet to be found. You receive a message that you have won rupees 5 crore in a lottery. It may be a rumor if the message is not from the concerned authorities. Bees beat their wings 270 times in a second. It's a fact and it is scientifically proved. Many ships and aeroplanes have disappeared in Bermuda Triangle. It is a fact, proven fact. Driverless cars are no more a dream. It is a fact. So driverless cars are in a trial. So it is not a dream in the upcoming future. Sophia is the world's first robot citizen. It is a fact. It is a proven fact. Ghosts dwell in Valiant Grace. It is a rumor. scientifically not proven. Do not step out on a new moon day. It is a fact. It is simply a superstition. एक अंधश्रद्धा है. Aliens will conquer the earth. It is a rumor. It is just the imagination of some people. Next, margin questions. Name the characters of the story. The following characters are there in the story. Number 1, Nathu, Sitaram, Mrs. Srivastava, Mrs. Bhushan, Mr. Bhushan, Kamal Kishore, Deepchand, Deepchand's customer, Seth Govindram, Old Ganpat the beggar, bank manager, and the people of Pimpalnagar. Which action of Nathu shows his annoyance? He was grumbling to himself as he was sweeping the steps of the bank. He was using the broom hurriedly and carelessly. He was banging his pan against the dustbin. How do you show your annoyance? When someone behaves badly or rudely with me makes me angry. When I got annoyed, I never use harsh words or any violent action. I try to keep myself calm and try to notice him the wrong he has done to me. I shall take some time and then scold him if she ignored me. To whom did Sitaram talk about Nathu? Sitaram talked to Mrs. Srivastava about Nathu. Why was Mrs. Bhushan uncomfortable? Mrs. Bhushan was uncomfortable because the heat was trying enough to her and she was not able to find her husband in the market. Which shop was just next to the photography shop? Answer: the barber shop was just next to the photography shop. Who did Deepchand call a bird? Deepchand called a bird to the owner of the Pimpalnagar bank, Seth Govindram. Who was Mr. Srivastava talking to? Mrs. Srivastava was talking to Mrs. Bhushan. Guess the meaning of awful, terrible, dreadful, seldom, rarely, rapidly, repetitive, forest, very fast. Who surprised everyone and how? The beggar Ganpat surprised everyone by running at top speed in the direction of the bank. What were the 4 rumors about Seth Govindram? The 4 rumors about Seth Govindram were as follows. The Seth Govindram had fled the state. He had fled the country. He was hiding in Pimpalnagar. And he hanged himself from the tamarind tree. Who was the last to know about the Pimpalnagar bank going bankrupt? Nathu was the last to know about the Pimpalnagar bank going bankrupt. How are rumors spread? Are the rumors harmful? Why? Why not? Rumors are spread when people communicate to each other without actually checking the fact or using the common sense. Some rumors are harmful and some are harmless. Some rumors make people annoyed and aggressive. Some harmful rumors can make people depressed and disturb them, while some are spread just for fun and they are not harmful. Some of the activities from English workshop. Who am I? Identify the character from the extract. I am the washerman's son. Who am I? I am Sitaram. I am the owner of the bank. Who am I? Said Govindra. I am the sweeper. Nathu. I am the friend of Mrs. Srivastav. Mrs. Bhushan. I am the hairdresser. Deepchand. I have a crooked legs. Ganpat the beggar. Make a list of customers of Pimpernagar Bank from the extract. Answer. General merchant, customers of shops, retail seller, the tailor, the free vendor, the beggar, many others people of Pimpernagar. Match the following and write the complete meaningful sentences. The question is given and the answers are Group A and Group B. Sitaram was looking out for any job that might suit Nathu. According to Mrs. Bhushan, it was the hottest summer in the history of Pimpernagar. Govindram was holidaying in Kashmir. The manager told the customer to go home and come back the next day. Write who said to whom. Number 1. Don't raise such dust. Sitaram said this to Nathu. Who would have thought the bank would collapse? Nathu said this to himself. Where did you disappear? Mrs. Bhushan said this to Mr. Bhushan. The bird has flown. The elderly gentleman said this to Deepchand. Why was the manager of the bank in dilemma? Write down in 5 to 6 lines in your notebook. The manager of the bank in a dilemma because the small bank had gone through all its ready cash. The bank manager was short of cash. Emergency funds could only be obtained from another bank some 30 miles distance, and he wasn't sure he could persuade the crowd to wait until then. There was no way to contacting Seth Govindram, who was holidaying in Kashmir, so the manager of the bank was in a dilemma. Cross out the odd man out. गटात न बसणारा शब्द क्रॉस करायचा. स्वीपर, हुलिगन, बेगर, डिक्लेअर, लॉकर. तर या ठिकाणी स्वीपर, हुलिगन, beggar, locker. So these are the nouns and declare is a verb. So it is the odd man out. Hurriedly, carelessly, salary, definitely, suddenly. या ठिकाणी salary हे noun आहे आणि all others are adverb. Number 3. Imminent, latest, permanent, awful, shocking. The answer is permanent. All others are adjectives and permanent is a noun. Morning, scattering, raising, collecting, shouting. Morning, all others are gerund form of the verb and morning is a noun. Find the describing words for the following from the text. Customary, tour. Photography, shop. Plate, glass, window. Crooked leg. Verb, noun, adjective फॉर्म लिहायचे आपल्याला या ठिकाणी. Permanent च verb form आहे pay, adjective payable, so no adverb form. Suddenly, noun form suddenness, adjective sudden. Declare, noun form declaration, adjective declarable and adverb declaratively. Cheerful, noun form cheer, verb form cheer, noun form also cheer and adverb form cheerful. Write in your own words a few sentences about each of the following. Nathu. Nathu was a sweeper boy working with the Pimpernagar bank owned by Seth Govindram. He was annoyed because the bank had not given him his salary of that month. He was sweeping hurriedly and carelessly because he was not happy with the owner. He was thinking of leaving the job. Seth Govindram. Seth Govindram was the owner of the Pimpernagar Bank who was holidaying in Kashmir. When the news about the bank collapse spread in Pimpernagar, the people of Pimpernagar blamed him about the collapse of the Pimpernagar Bank since he was on a houseboat in Kashmir. So the manager of the bank was unable to make a contact with him. People spread various rumors about him. Sitaram. Sitaram was a washerman's son. He used to deliver freshly pressed clothes to his customers. He plodded barefoot along the road to deliver a big bundle of clothes on his head. He was a helpful person. He was glad that he would be of service to both customers and his friend Nathu. Mrs. Srivastava. Mrs. Srivastava was Sitaram's customer. She was a housewife who has an ayah and a cook to help her household chores. She was in need of a sweeper and got no from Sitaram about Nathu. Sitaram told her that Nathu was thinking to leave the job of the bank as the bank was not paying him regularly. She met her friend Mrs. Bhushan in the market and they discussed there on different topics. Some of the activities from language study. I know of a sweeper boy who is looking for a work. Observe the underlined part of the sentence. It tells us more about the sweeper's boy. An adjective clause begins with words such as how, that, what, whatever, who, which, where, why, etc. की जो अंडरलाइन केलेला भाग आहे तो त्या स्वीपर बॉय बद्दल अधिक माहिती देतो. हा अशा प्रकारचा ऍडजेक्टिव्ह क्लॉज असतो आणि ऍडजेक्टिव्ह क्लॉज ची सुरुवात हाऊ, दॅट, व्हॉट, व्हॉटेवर, हू, विच, वेअर, व्हाय अशा प्रकारच्या कनेक्टरने किंवा शब्दांनी होते. Now complete the sentences given below using your own adjective clauses. I know of a schoolboy who is very poor but very intelligent. So the answers are already given. I know the joke which is very funny. I know of a doctor who is very expert in surgery. I know of a place which is very beautiful. I know the reason why he refused the proposal in front of his boss. Rewrite the following sentences joining them with when, where, which way. या शब्दांनी आपल्याला काय करायचे सेंटेन्स जॉइन करायचे. Sitaram had a bundle of freshly pressed cloths. He balanced it on his head. The answer: Sitaram had a bundle of freshly pressed cloth which he balanced on his head. A large shady tamarind tree grew at one end of the bazaar. Mrs. Srivastava found her friend Mrs. Bhushan there. A large shady tamarind tree grew at one end of the bazaar where Mrs. Srivastava found her friend Mrs. Bhushan. The Pimpernagar Bank has stopped paying employees. It is about to collapse. The Pimpernagar Bank has stopped paying employees which is about to collapse. He had finished his work. He sat down on the highest step. When he finished his homework, he sat down on the highest step. So thank you very much for watching the video.